Who was that? That was Grandpapa? It's Grandpapa. Yeah. Funny, isn't he? Yeah, I know he's funny. He's a funny man. What? Can you talk to me? Can you talk to me? Yeah. Good boy. Talk to me. Talk to me. Yeah. Okay, tell me a story. Tell me a story. Good. Good. I'm good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Tell me again. Tell me again. Tell me all about it. Tell me all about it, dear. What did you do today? Huh? What did you do? Oh my goodness. Really?
Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi, Leo. You're not looking at me. You're looking at the shiny phone. Yeah.